We begin this half hour tonight with a call from Maine's early child care providers. They say they are underfunded and feeling underappreciated.
These professionals are the first teachers in a child's life, and thousands of Maine parents lean on them every day when they drop their kids off and then head to work. But as News Center Maine's David Guilford reports, those in child care have a message for lawmakers.
We have to do meaningful reform now, not next session, not some other time, but now.
Senate President Troy Jackson and Senate Majority Leader Eloise Vitelli, both Democrats, on Wednesday announced bills aimed at propping up an industry stretched to its breaking point during the pandemic: early childhood education.
You have contributed to the Maine's economic recovery, and your work deserves to be valued.
They were joined by well over 100 child care providers, many of whom said they're still treated like babysitters when they commit themselves to be the first educators in a child's life.
When we invest in kids early, it pays off for both the kiddos, the families, and the economy in the long run.
I wonder how many levels you can make it.
Jackson's still early proposal would double the salary supplements the state gives to providers. Vitelli's bill would create more pre-K spaces by adding public funding to existing programs like at YMCA's and at schools, and expand full-day pre-K aimed at helping working families.
We're never off the clock. Our phone is constantly going off, and we are literally the workforce behind the workforce.
Jennifer Mishu runs learning centers in Springvale and Sanford alongside her daughter Jasmine. She said she could easily have a third location.
We currently serve 105 families. I have a wait list of about 78 families waiting to get into our programs. So with that being said, we probably could open another facility tomorrow and fill that.
But she said she can't serve more families because workers are leaving the industry for jobs that have benefits. The funding, Mishu said, needs to increase.
They need to treat us more like the public school system is treated. For instance, we need to have access to paid medical leave. We need to have access to paid health insurance. We need to have access to more paid trainings.
The exact language of these bills remains to be seen, as well as how they'll be funded. In Augusta, David Guilford, News Center, Maine.
Today's event at the State House falls in the middle of the nationally recognized Week of the Young Child. It's an annual celebration of child care and a platform to advocate for support.